I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of our guests, faculty members and fellow classmates who have gathered here today. Your presence makes this event more successful and I am grateful to have each and every one of you here. So we today would like to invite Shribanda Dash is a gold medalist at IIM Kashipur. He is graduated from NIT Rourkela. He has a Master of Business. Even he has the experience of 17 years in the corporate sector. He is a specialist in the areas of marketing, strategy and operations. And furthermore, at present, he runs an Angels Network in Punjab at New Delhi region. And he is actively involved in the core engineering, high-end startup funding. He is a director at STM House, JV with Brigham City University. He is also co-founder in 3 food-related startups. So I would like to invite him on the stage. We have a big round of applause for him.
दोबारा करेंगे. Good morning.
Good morning.
बिल्कुल नहीं. Good morning. Thank you. Thank you. Next, please. Today's topic is innovation, entrepreneurship, and happiness. ठीक है? Okay, thank you. I will ask a few questions before I actually we move forward. What is innovation, by the way? How you define innovation?
Generating new ideas.
And what is the difference between innovation and invention? Sorry?
Creating something.
Creating something is invention. Idea is innovation. By the way, this is the first telephone. 1877. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. For innovation, what did he do? He got married. He got married. And he got married to the daughter of the president of National Geographic Channel. पैसे मिले उससे. So innovation is invention plus commercialization. So when he invented telephone, it was a standalone machine. But for innovation, what did he do? He actually manufactured telephones. There were telephone poles. It gave birth to a new form of communication, telephonic communication. सिर्फ एक प्रोडक्ट बनाने से नहीं होगा. If you have only one standalone mobile and your friends don't use it, it's completely useless, isn't it? You got to have good morning messages भेजते हो तो दूसरा वाला गाली देता है सुबह, तो वो गाली देगा जब आपके पास उसके numbers है ना. So if you have someone to use your product, that comes under innovation. Ideas के साथ नहीं है. Done? What is the greatest invention from our country? What is the greatest invention? Indians are famous for which particular invention? Zero. Amazing. Zero. Zero का क्या अर्थ है? By the way, zero actually was not invented by Brahmagupta in 628. Zero meant God. जो पहले टाइम पे था, zero meant शून्य और भगवान. So all the properties of zero is the properties of the number zero. Sorry, the properties of God are translated into properties of zero. जैसे कि you cannot remove someone, you cannot remove God from someone. So any number minus zero is the same number. You cannot add God to someone. It is inherent to the particular person. So any number plus zero equal to zero. But then you can realize God. So any number into zero equal to zero. But then the power of zero is the power of God is such that it cannot beneath your control. So number divided by zero is not allowed. So that's how actually something which was invented by, through time was translated into an innovation called as number zero. And this gave birth to, what is the innovation? Innovation is all the religions or all the spiritual thoughts that come is the innovation out of zero. Now, very in a nutshell, I'm going to tell you the types of innovation. and then we will talk about, the topic is lean startup, but then before we actually talk about lean startups, I completely understand that जो backbenchers होते हैं उनको लगता है कि यार क्या बोल रहा है, ये तो नहीं चाहिए हमें. So we will focus on what exactly is a lean manufacturing or lean startup, but before that, you need to see, this has to be a, see, hello, backbenchers. I was one of those backbenchers, so I understand the frequency of it. So what I'm trying to say is, like, it has to be a two-way communication. In case you have any questions, any doubts, please raise your hand, and I'm going to ask you questions on that. Done? Done, backbenchers? Done? Okay. When we talk about innovation, there are 4 types of innovations. Mostly those are like, एक तो है product innovation. When you talk about innovations, people will talk about iPhones. Any other innovation you come across? Anyone who can say any kind of innovation apart from product innovation? Any, what do you mean by process innovation? Process innovation किस में होती है? Any example of process innovation? Yes. Digital payment is a process innovation. Yes. आप raise कर रहे हो hand? Bottle raise. You want to answer anything? Oh, okay. Any other innovation? मुझे लगा कि आप raise किए थे. Any other innovation? Ola? How Ola is different? Taxis पहले से भी थे, customers पहले से भी थे. Somebody brought one particular service where it's an aggregator. Somebody brought all the taxi drivers, all the customers, and then connected them together. So that is service innovation. Market innovation. किसी को पता है market innovation क्या है? जो 1990s में पहले थे, 90s में अगर हो गए ना, all the girls when they were asked this question कि किससे शादी करनी है, तो वो क्या बोलते थे? We would love to get married to someone who is TDH, tall, dark and handsome. हाँ या ना? अब आप लोग चेंज हो गए हो, the market has changed. But then before that it was tall, dark and handsome. Market नहीं था कि लड़के fair हो. Guys who are fair were not in demand in the first place. Imani came up with one particular product called as Fair and Handsome. Shah Rukh Khan was the brand ambassador. और उन्होंने market ही change कर दिया उन्होंने. Now they felt if you are not fair, you will not get married. क्योंकि अभी हाल ही में जो रिपोर्ट आया था मैट्रिमोनी से कि 67% of the girls want their husband to be very fair. मैं पहले शादी कर लिया, अच्छी बात है, वरना मार्केट में हमारा डिमांड ही नहीं था. Then finally the business model innovation. किसका कोई एक एग्जांपल बता सकता है बिजनेस मॉडल इनोवेशन का? Any business model innovation? बोलो. Business model innovation? Sorry? E-commerce is business model? Yes, you can say that. But it is more of like in service. और एक बहुत बढ़िया एग्जाम्पल हो सकता है बिजनेस मॉडल का. फ्रीमियम, पहले आप फ्री में दे दो 1 महीने का, उसके बाद फिर सब्सक्रिप्शन चार्ज करो. दैट इज अ बिजनेस मॉडल इनोवेशन. वो प्रोसेस में नहीं है. The product is not in, the product doesn't go through that particular process. The business, the way you deal with the customer is, there is an innovation there. समझ में आ रही बात? ये रहे examples. When Flipkart was actually, Flipkart came in 2007. ठीक है? Flipkart जब आई तो उससे पहले 151 e-commerce sites were there, headed by Times Shopping. ठीक है? टाइम शॉपिंग से वो पूरा का पूरा बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा था. बट देन देयर वाज अ प्रॉब्लम विद टाइम शॉपिंग एंड फ्लिपकार्ट एक्चुअली सरपास्ड एवरीवन. हाउ? बिकॉज दे केम अप विद वन कॉन्सेप्ट कॉल्ड एज कैश ऑन डिलीवरी. आप सामान लो फिर पैसे दो. दैट वाज समथिंग व्हिच एक्चुअली चेंज्ड द होल इक्वेशन फॉर फ्लिपकार्ट एंड दे कुड सरपास 150 कंपनीज and become number 1 in 2009 in 2 years time. समझ में आ रही बात? Now the most important question, आप लोग they talk about entrepreneurship all the time. What do you mean by entrepreneurship? Startup is entrepreneurship? Starting a new business is entrepreneurship? कोई बोल सकता है what do you mean by entrepreneurship? Is Sachin Tendulkar an entrepreneur? Entrepreneurship is a spirit. Entrepreneurship is a spirit with which Edmund Hillary climbed the Mount Everest 8848 meters. Entrepreneurship is a spirit with which iPhone was launched in 2007. It is the same spirit with which two brothers actually jumped, took a plunge, and gave wings to the human imagination. And it is the same spirit with which a 19-year-old girl who wanted to be a dancer saw solar eclipse in 1919 and decided to take up physics and came up with one of the finest theses ever written that said that stars are made up of hydrogen and helium in 1924. In 4 years' time, she wrote that particular thesis. Entrepreneurship is all about these. It has nothing to do with startups. Startups is a very recent phenomenon. Entrepreneurship was a spirit that, I stand and I make my own destiny. And it is the same spirit with which two students, MTech student graduates from Stanford University, decided not to go to the New York City to take up jobs. They decided to actually venture into something called as product development and created the first oscilloscope from a garage, Hewlett and Packard, HP. And it is the same spirit with which a bunch of PhD scholars decided not to actually take up jobs in a university or a college and to come up with one company called Intel. Intel inside, stupids outside. But then it is not just confined to the Westerners. India had its own share. In 1956, four brothers from Amritsar decided to take up and make cycles in Ludhiana, Hero Cycles. I work for Hero Cycles and I know that the kind of stuff they made. The same 7 ladies without any formal education decided to take up 80 rupees as debt and came up with one particular cooperative called as Lijjat Papad. The same goes with one doctor, veteran doctor, who said that I will change the way milk is procured and is made and is distributed. Amul, Anand Milk Union Limited. These are the examples of entrepreneurship. And if you ask this question, कि entrepreneurship से मिलता क्या है? This guy, the first Indian to climb Mount Everest is? Who is the first Indian to climb Mount Everest? Sorry, Anurag Kashyap? Who is the first Indian to climb Mount Everest? Avtar Singh Chima from Punjab. And he was asked this question, कि आप 8 मीटर क्यों चढ़ गए जब इतना जगह तो घर में ही है, क्यों चढ़ गए? So he said that कि मुझे पता नहीं था कि पर्वत के शिखर पे मोक्ष मिलेगा या नहीं. मुझे पता नहीं था कि पर्वत के शिखर पे मोक्ष मिलेगा या नहीं, पर यह ज़रूर पता था कि बाकी लोग जो कर रहे हैं वो हमसे गवारा नहीं. अगर पैर फिसल भी जाता तो गिरता मैं आके गंगा के गोद में, गंगा के पानी में घुल मिल मैं हिम बन के मैं दोबारा हिमालय बनता, बट मैं ये बाकी लोग जो कर रहे हैं वो मुझसे गवारा नहीं. एंड दैट इज स्पेसिफिकली सेज द स्पिरिट ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. कुछ भी हो जाए, आप जितना भी पैसे कमा लो, यू कैन ट्रैवल टू कनाडा, or you can actually travel to Australia or wherever you go. You can earn money. That is completely fine. But at the 11th hour, when you are about to die, you know that अगर आपने legacy छोड़ के नहीं गए हो तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं लगता है कि यार मेरी जिंदगी सफल नहीं है. So the legacy is when you leave behind something that actually echoes in the halls of eternity. कि मैंने कुछ छोड़ के गया, मैं अपना जो मेरी जो पहचान है मैं छोड़ के गया. That's one of the reasons why having your own company is so important. Having your own books is so important. Having something left behind is so important. क्योंकि अभी आपको लगता है कि यार कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. You are working for Google, you are working for Microsoft, you are working for some different companies. You will earn good amount. लेकिन जब मरोगे तो साइड में आएगा कि नो दिस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन एन एम्प्लॉय ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कंपनी हैज डाइड. बट अगर आपकी खुद की पहचान है, then when you actually die, they say that this particular person with the name of the person, this particular has died. आपकी पहचान जो है that echoes in the halls of eternity, and that is the most important thing of any life. You cannot, even if you have crores and billions of dollars, you will not have 2 lunches, you will not have 10 girlfriends. You might date 10 girlfriends in different times, but you cannot date 10 girlfriends at the same time. You can have so many different things, but at the end of the day, people will remember the kind of work that you have done. Not because of your father's legacy, not because of your son's legacy, not because of your company's legacy. People will remember you because what kind of stuff you have left behind. अगर वो छोड़ के आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार ये कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, हम जिंदगी जी लेंगे. People, those who have at their 11th hour, they have always felt that given a chance to come back again and relive that particular life, they will always do something for their own kind, for something they want to do, something they want to leave behind. पैसे सबसे, money is a means, but not the end. I'm not saying you should not think about money. Money is the wing, that is the plate or the power that gives you stuff. But at the end of the day, it is your name that matters. And entrepreneurship is all about leaving that legacy. And some facts, 94% of the Indian startups fail. 90% of the Indian students, as per to Anand Mahindra, says that they are not fit for employment. More than 63% of the Indian families are not happy. And finally, this number is very, is actually, is not that exaggerated. 97% of the Indian women would say that they are not happy with the families, but the numbers are like, are taken from Forbes. So this is what it is. My question is, why and what is the common link between all the facts mentioned? आपको क्या लगता है कि why these things happen? If 94% of the Indian startups fail, 90% of the businesses fail. 90% of the families are not happy. 90% of the people are not fit for employment. होती क्या है? मतलब what is the common link? क्या problem है? Anyone from the back? क्या problem हो सकती है? Anyone? क्या हो सकती है, क्या कारण हो सकता है कि why people are not doing what they wanted to do? You guys are from engineering background? What's your background? Engineering? You guys are अभी क्या कर रहे हो? MBA? BBA? Okay. इंजीनियरिंग तो साइंस तो पढ़े होगे 12th तक? सॉरी? ओके. क्या कारण हो सकता है? वेरी कॉमन सेंस. आई मीन इट्स नथिंग टू डू विथ कि यही पढ़े होगे तो यही आंसर दोगे. व्हाट माइट बी द रीजन फॉर इट? क्वालिटी. घर में तुम खुश नहीं हो क्योंकि क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है घर में. पापा को बोलोगे पापा क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है घर में. क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है? सॉरी? अपॉर्चुनिटीज. तुम जिस टाइम पे हो ना अभी, दिस इज लाइक यू आर सराउंडेड बाय अपॉर्चुनिटीज. हमारे टाइम पे तो ऑप्शन भी नहीं था.
Sir, from my point of view, the common thing here is the word not repeat हो रहा है. And 3 of the 4 statements. So probably we are so much blaming the things outside that we are not seeing the things which are inside.
Okay. I will ask you this question. सबसे easy वाला question मैं पूछूंगा. What do you mean by happiness? वो पीछे पूरा उनका डिबेट क्लास चल गया. वो बोल रहे हैं कि आप देखो हम डिबेट चलाएंगे. What do you mean by happiness? Doing what you like. मेरे घर के जो नेबर में ना, उनकी बेटी का नाम खुशी है. तो लोग बोलते हैं ना कि हैप्पीनेस क्या है, मैं बोले कि मेरे बगल में रहती है। खुशी क्या होती है? Anyone who can answer this question? See, what I'm asking this question, these questions will never come in your syllabus or in your exams. लेकिन ये आपका कोर है, ये आपकी कोर रहेगी. Even if you join Indian Army or you actually become a billionaire, these are the questions which will matter, and they will be the ones which will be the core of your life. तो हैप्पीनेस की अगर डेफिनेशन ही पता नहीं है तो फिर करना क्या है? खुशी होती क्या है? अब बगल में तो रहती है, लेकिन खुशी होती क्या है? डूइंग वॉट यू लव इज हैप्पीनेस. जेल में हम आपको डाल देंगे, आपको बोलेंगे कि आप यू वांट टू डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू. आप जेल में हो, आप खुश हो? यस. अगर प्लान है कि कंपनी चलानी है लेकिन तिहाड़ जेल से चलानी है, करोगे? I will not come to this. I will say this. This is the one. This is the most important point. Actually, no. See, I'll tell you about myself. I graduated from NIT Rourkela, and then I actually did my job in Accenture and Sapient for 5 years before I went to the US. अब US में मैं गया, पढ़ाई किया, 4 महीने 5 महीने के बाद ना, these are the questions that was that used to actually pinprick me. समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि करना क्या लाइफ में. That was the time when Steve Jobs died on 5th of October 2011. सारे पेपर्स में आ रहे थे कि what you want to do in life, what exactly, because he was the one who actually did that. He came to India 1974 and then he went back and then he started his own company. तो newspapers were flooded with all this information कि लाइफ में अगर आपको खुद को पता नहीं है कि कहाँ जाना है, then at the end of your life you will always be an unsatisfied life. You will be an unsatisfied soul. You will be an unsatisfied family member. You will be an unsatisfied employee. तो वो चीज़ हमेशा मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम किया. So I dropped out. Probably the only person who is staying in Punjab who came from US. People are ready to sell their kidneys to go to the US. And some people said that we will sell our friends' kidneys also to go to the US. But then I personally, when I took that particular flight back, my teacher said that in 26 years, you are the only person who is going back. And I went to the Himalayas straight away. पापा को पता भी नहीं था कि मैं इंडिया में हूँ. And then I met Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond को जानते हो? पीछे से कुछ चल रहा है? Anyone who knows Ruskin Bond? A writer? He is someone, Ruskin Bond is someone who actually is 90 years of age and he still writes at 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock in the morning. On Christmas days, you would see him jumping and dancing. And he is someone who actually for 20 years lived a life with 1 meal a day. और आप सोचते हो कि ये बंदा क्या कर रहा था? He was an English guy. तो उनको लगता है कि there were no dearth in opportunities. But the problem was, he always questioned this कि मुझे करना क्या है लाइफ में. I wanted to be a writer, but that's not just what I want. I want to be a writer being settled in the hills of India and with my friends and family. He is the one who said that the definition of happiness is not what you want to do, but with whom you want to do and where you are placed. जगह मैटर करती है. If you are in Delhi or you are in Tihar jail, you cannot do what you want to do, even if you are given that opportunity. अगर जिससे शादी करनी थी वो और किसी से शादी कर ली, हो गया काम. फिर IAS एग्जाम देनी है, प्रूफ करनी है, फिर वो गाना भी गाना है. But then the problem is the person whom your frequency matched, that's the only person with whom your frequency is going to match. You can find somebody maybe in the later part, but जिनके साथ नेचुरल फ्रीक्वेंसी बैठती हो बैठती है. आप उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते हो कि नहीं यार कल से ना मैं अंबानी के साथ ही बात करूंगा, बस नहीं कर पाओगे. उनके साथ फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच ही नहीं होगा. And the last and the most important point is doing what you want to do, being in a place where you want to be in, and finally with the people with whom you want to lead your life. These things together make someone happy, and these are the things that are missing in everyone's family. करना था कुछ, कर रहे हैं इंजीनियरिंग, कर रहे हैं बीबीए, कर रहे हैं एमबीए, पता ही नहीं है कि बेचना क्या है. भैया हमें बोलेंगे मार्केटिंग तो कर ली, जो बेचनी है वो हमें पता ही नहीं है कि प्रोडक्ट क्या है बेचने का. सो द मेन इशू इज हमें करना क्या है हमें पता ही नहीं है. Getting, so when I left that engineering, I did it from one of the finest engineering colleges, NIT Rourkela. मेरे सारे दोस्त लोग ना जो लोग product development में थे, they were the ones who were very happy at the end of the day because they were creating something. तो उन्होंने management भी की तो अपने product को बेचने के लिए. उनको जो भी करना था उनको पता था कि करना क्या है. But those who joined IT companies, उनमें से दोनों की suicide हो चुकी है अभी तक. I'm talking about facts here. Or more, almost 7 are 3 times divorcee. I'm 40 and they're all 40, 41. 3 divorces हो चुके हैं, but they are placed in Amazon. Microsoft में काम कर रहे हैं, 3 divorce हो चुके हैं. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि Microsoft में जो जॉब करेंगे उनकी divorcee, मतलब they are going to be divorcees. But the thing is, they didn't know what they wanted in life. So they actually compromised at every aspect. And finally they found कि यार ये तो हमें चाहिए ही नहीं था. अगर तुम्हें घूमना पसंद है and you got married to one of those, one of the most beautiful girls, लेकिन जो वो घर से नहीं निकलेगी, 10 दिन तो अच्छा लगेगा. विक्ट्री साइन मारोगे फेसबुक में, उसके बाद क्या? वो बोलेगी मुझे तो जाना नहीं है, तुम बोलोगे चलते हैं. That's where the problem starts in. क्योंकि हमें पहले ना हमने कभी ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा था कि हमें जाना कहाँ पर है. अगर गोवा जानी है तो स्वेटर्स खरीदना ज़रूरी नहीं है. अगर माउंट एवरेस्ट क्लाइंब करनी है तो वो फंकी टी शर्ट्स खरीदनी नहीं है, स्वेटर्स खरीदनी है या फिर जैकेट्स खरीदनी है. बिकॉज यू नो वेयर यू आर हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स. आपको ही पता है कि आपको क्या करना है. देन यू नो दैट कि वॉट एग्जैक्टली आर द काइंड ऑफ पीपल आई वॉन्ट. अगर गोवा जानी है तो फिर कैलकाटा के बस में बैठोगे, देन यू गो टू कैलकाटा. फिर वहां पर तुम बोलोगे कि यहाँ पर तो मैं दारू के लिए आया था, वहां पर वो बोल रहे हैं कि आप मानुस मराठी ये बंगाली स्टफ कम्स इन, यार फिश तो मैं खाता भी नहीं हूँ. सो यू नीड टू नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू वांट टू डू, एंड देन यू फाइंड पीपल दोज हु वांट टू go in the same direction. And then being in a place, in one particular community, all the companies that we talk about, be it Apple Computers, started from a garage, be it HP, started from a garage, you will see those qualities. वैसा नहीं कि स्टार्टअप बनाने के लिए स्टार्टअप किया. They came up with a product, they had a team, and they felt कि यार यही जिंदगी है. And then they took it up. हार्वर्ड से बिल गेट्स ड्रॉप आउट हुआ. ऐसा नहीं है कि ड्रॉप आउट होने के लिए ड्रॉप आउट हुआ. They had Microsoft in 1975 and in 1976 उसको लगा कि यार ये फायदा नहीं है, we can earn more money. कंपनी करने के लिए पहले आप ना टीम चूज करना जरूरी है. Getting the right person is the most important decision in your life. पहले पार्टनर कौन होगा? फ्रेंड्स जो आपके ही होते हैं ना कि देयर आर फ्रेंड्स इन क्लास, देयर आर नॉट फ्रेंड्स इन क्लास. फ्रेंड्स नहीं होते, वो पीयर्स होते हैं. अगर तुम बोलोगे ना कि मैं उसको पसंद करता हूं तो दूसरा वाला बोलेगा कि ये तो मेरा कॉम्पिटिटर है. सो यू गॉट टू फाइंड कि कहां पर आपकी ना वो आपको कोलैबोरेट करे, ना कि कॉम्पीट करे. गेटिंग द फाइनेस्ट फोटोग्राफ दैट यू कैन सी ऑफ हैप्पीनेस इज दिस वन. दे से कि लेबर पेन इज लाइक ब्रेकिंग ऑफ 190 बोन्स ऑल टुगेदर. इतना पेन है तो लेकिन वो खुश क्यों है? बिकॉज वॉट शी हैज क्रिएटेड इवन द गॉड्स कैनॉट मैच इट. समथिंग विच इज लाइक शी इज द गॉड. जो वो बनाई है वो बाय फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट ऑल द पैरामीटर्स, वॉट शी हैज इज यूनिक इन नॉट ओनली इन द होल वर्ल्ड, इन द होल यूनिवर्स. When you create something and you create being with people whom you want to live your life with, being in a place, you see there are shanty houses behind, but then you have completely, she's completely oblivious to those. The tears in the happy tears in the eyes, they define the future. and it is, and others will feel it. Ruskin Bond has never said that he is happy. But when I go to his place and I see him dancing, I personally feel like the person knows the aim of life. He knew it beforehand, and he's the only person, I would say, who has lived his life the way he wanted to live. He wanted to be in the hills of the Himalayas. He wanted to be with his family members. He had one meal a day, but then he was very fine. Like, no issues with that. But I will stick to my interest, my love. And he used to write 126 books. The Sahitya Academy in 1992, the Padma Bhushan. I graduated from IIM Kashipur. I was the gold medalist at IIM. The person who was supposed to give me the gold medal was the education minister of Uttarakhand. He came, but just before that, the lockdown actually was applied in 2020. So he, instead of coming to Kashipur, he went to Mussoorie. And he was sitting next to Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was on chair. He was on the floor. So I went to Ruskin Bond, sir, and I said that, okay, sir, I know him personally since I stayed. So he was the one who actually put the medal on my, on my neck. And I personally felt, I think I did the best thing to get the medal of, the gold medal from the person who knew how to live a life. So do whatever you feel like. आपको जो करनी है आपको करना चाहिए. कुछ भी करो. मेरा एक स्कूल का एक फ्रेंड है. He appeared in 10th exam 6 times. वो 10th ही पास नहीं हुआ. उसके फेसबुक में ना लिखा हुआ कि ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम MIT. मैं बोला कि MIT से क्या? वो बोला कि ना लड़कियों से ना इम्प्रेस करने के लिए वो काम देगा. मैं बोला कि MIT तो स्कूल नहीं है. वो बोला कि तेरे को पता है ना, उन लड़कियों को पता ही नहीं है. But he runs 7 ladies hostels. क्लियर था टारगेट ऑडियंस कौन क्लियर था बचपन से. 10th नहीं क्लियर करनी थी, टारगेट ऑडियंस क्लियर था. एंड आई गो बाय, व्हेन आई एक्चुअली वाज स्टडीइंग इन टेक्सास A&M यूनिवर्सिटी, आई गेव हिज एग्जांपल. मैं बोला सचमुच लाइफ में अगर पहले से ही अगर रस्किन बॉन्ड के अलावा और कोई अगर क्लियर था तो वो मेरा दोस्त था. 10th ही नहीं करनी है. सिफी लेडीज हॉस्टल कॉलेज के सामने दिया था, सिफी इंटरनेट कैफे hostels, and he is married to one of those guys, the ladies who used to be one of those onboarders. पूरा मतलब इतना क्लैरिटी के साथ. उसके पास 3 गाड़ियां हैं, बड़े बड़े गाड़ियां नहीं है, BMW नहीं चलाता, लेकिन 3 गाड़ियां हैं. क्रेटा इज नॉट अ बैड कार बाय द वे, एंड ही हैज इट. 10th अभी भी उन्होंने छोड़ दिया, 6 10th के बाद उन्होंने छोड़ दिया. But then what I'm trying to say is, like, and I'm not someone, though I would call myself a very good student, I would always go and say that don't study for the sake of it. अगर वो फील्ड में जाना नहीं है मत करो, उसमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं आएगा, कुछ भी कर लो. आई एम अ राइटर, सो व्हाट मेरे को क्या था कि मेरे जो कवर के पीछे वो गोल्ड मेडल चाहिए था कि समवन शिवानंद दास द गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट फ्रॉम IIM, वो मेरा ड्राइविंग फोर्स था. सो आई यूज्ड टू स्टडी फॉर 18 hours a day when I was in IIM. लेकिन मुझे मैनेजमेंट से इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. वो पीछे का जो बैक कवर में मेरा IIM का गोल्ड मेडल होगा वो होगा. सो आई स्कोर 98%, आज तक का रिकॉर्ड है. बट अभी मुझे अगर एग्जाम मैनेजमेंट का दूंगा सारे में फेल होऊंगा, क्योंकि वो सारा का सारा चला गया. आई वॉज नॉट ड्रिवन बाय दैट, आई वॉज ड्रिवन बाय माई इंटरेस्ट कि मेरे बैक कवर में IIM गोल्ड मेडल होना चाहिए. सो आई वॉज क्लियर कि मुझे क्या करना है. एंड आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू कि आपको जो भी करनी है, यू कैन हैव लेडीज हॉस्टल बाय द वे, बट वॉट एवर यू फील लाइक, जो आपको करनी है स्टार्ट दैट. एंड बीइंग विद पीपल दोज हु वांट टू डू द सेम थिंग. अगर आपको वही है, अगर आपको गोवा जानी है तो कैलकाटा के बस में मत बैठना. So this is the last slide, by the way. Then I will come to lean startup. But then I would request to have questions from your side. As I said, you are living in a very wonderful time where there are people talking about ideas. People want to fund your ideas. He is one of those. He is Gautam Sharma. He is one of the startup owners. So initially you will say that हमारे यहाँ पर startup अगर बोलोगे तो पहले हमारे टाइम पे तो था कि भाई कुछ नौकरी वोकरी मिला नहीं. But now he is like he is one of those guys who is one of the most sorted guys. कि यार हमें ये इसको चाहिए, ये बंदा चाहिए. Today we live in a situation where people want to fund your startups. I come from Hero Group and we are into manufacturing. अगर आपको कोई भी चीज़ में अगर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करनी है तो what we are informed is कि इनके आइडियाज़ को भी फंड करो, इनके प्रोटोटाइप को भी फंड करो, इनके प्रूफ ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट को, प्रोटोटाइप को, मिनिमम वायबल प्रोडक्ट को, फाइनल प्रोडक्ट को प्रूफ करो, स्टार्टअप बनाने के लिए हेल्प करो। मैं बोला कि बाकी बच्चे का क्या, वो करेगा क्या, मैं ही कर लेता हूँ उसके लिए। But then the situation has changed like anything. Today we live in a situation where everybody is willing to fund your ideas. And this is the right time to do it. अभी हाल ही में पुणे का एक बंदा निकला था, वो चांद का फोटोग्राफ लेके डाला था। Someone who is 17 years of age who took photographs of the moon some 2 years back. और वो फोटोग्राफ देख के नासा वाले भी बोले कि ये कैसे कर लिया। Anyone who remembers that? There was this guy 17 years of age. He built his own telescope. He took photographs for 4 hours, and then he used another 44 hours to superimpose those photographs, and he came up with the finest photograph of moon, where you have something called as brown in the center. Yes, इन्होंने नासा वाले भी बोले कि हमारे पास ये इस तरह क्लैरिटी के फोटोग्राफ्स नहीं है। At the age of 17, he is talking to NASA. That's the kind of power when it comes to creations. अगर आप कुछ भी बनाओगे, my book, the first book I wrote was not very famous, but it gave me access to Ruskin Bond. It gave me access to जितने भी वहाँ पर रस्किन बॉन्ड के 4 घर छोड़ के एक जगह है 4 दुकान करके, पता है मसूरी में 4 दुकान। Who stays there? Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar spends almost 3-4 days in the last week of December in 4 दुकान। Photographs आपने देखा होगा। संजय नारंग, his friend, is a chef, so he would spend 4 days. मैं खुद उनके बगल में चाय पी के आया हूँ, and I would always consider कि मैं किताब अगर नहीं लिखता तो वो चांस मुझे कभी नहीं मिलता। You may not be, a billionaire with your first startup, but that will always give you a power to pass on the baton to the next level. आज अगर सिर्फ ये ग्रेजुएशन करके निकल जाओगे, बोलोगे कि अरे यार बेकार था, कॉलेज बहुत बेकार, सिटी यूनिवर्सिटी बेकार है, फिर आईआईटी से पढ़ोगे अरे आईआईटी भी बहुत बेकार है, कुछ काम नहीं कर रहे हैं। बट इट इज ऑलवेज, इट कम्स डाउन टू यू ओनली। आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी था, आपने किया नहीं किया, दैट्स इट। द पर्सन हु रोट द बुक ऑन टाटा is not from IIM, he is not from IIT, he is from Sri some college, private college जिसकी मैंने पहली बार नाम सुना। But he is the one who was very persistent कि मैं टाटा के ऊपर किताब लिखूं। The Tata Way, इतना मोटा सा किताब है। He was the one who actually interviewed all the GMs and CEOs and ex-CEOs and everyone. रतन टाटा के साथ उसका फोटोग्राफ है। Persistent था कि मुझे यही लिखनी है टाटा के ऊपर। So he was not from an IIM, but because of his persistence, he could scale up to a situation or to a level where he only could have the power to decide what would be my next course of actions. Thank you, guys. By the way, this is my book. This is the one who I wrote 3 months back. I have a beautiful girlfriend who is 5 years of age, my daughter. So she would ask me questions कि ये तारे कैसे बने? And all those things she would ask me. So I felt if I take the example of mythology, तो फिर वो गलत हो जाएगा. And if I take the example of actual science, hydrogen, helium, वो समझ नहीं पाएगी. So I created the story of solar system using mammoths and elephants. And this particular book, I would say, was made when I was there in Science City Jalandhar. वहाँ पर एक प्रोजेक्ट है जिसमें लाइट पास कर रही है, आपको पता नहीं है कि लाइट पास कर रही है नहीं कर रही है जब तक आप हाथ बीच में नहीं रखते हो. That means light is dark. So based on that, this is the one that I wrote, Dark Light. In case if you feel like you can give it to your kids or your brothers and your sisters, please do take it. It is pure promotions I'm doing right now. Thank you. Any questions from your side? Question पूछो यार, सब कुछ पूछ सकते हो. तुम तो मेरे को बाद में रास्ते में पूछ लोगे.
अभी आ रहा है frequency match.
Done.
Sir, I would like to ask you that since you are so much highly educated and you have done your education from the most premier of the premier institutes in India, engineering from NIT, your MBA from IIM. Even I had a IIM dream. I managed to get 91 percentile in CAT and I did my MBA from IMDR Pune. But I would like to add one thing here. that I consider my college, IMDR Pune, to be IIM Pune. The fact here is, I don't consider myself any less when it comes to competition in my field. I see myself that way. Let the society see in any way. But since you are having such a clean profile, sir, from the most reputed institutions, how did you manage the competition when it came to another gold medalist in the same institute? Another IIM candidate who was eyeing for a gold medal, how did you see or portray him?
Okay. ये जो क्वेश्चन है वो एक्चुअली होती है कि इफ देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ स्टफ. एक तो है कि 3 Idiots देखे हो, तो वो रात को क्या करता था, वो मैगजीन्स बांटता था कि इफ़ यू वांट टू एक्चुअली, देखो एक तो है कि मुझे 90 रखनी है और एक है कि मैं 70 रखूंगा तो कोई 70 से ऊपर नहीं रखेगा. द 2 ways टू डू इट. एक तो है चतुर वाला टेक्निक, तो रात को सबको वो मैगजीन्स बांटते रहो. उससे प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पर है कि जो मैगजीन नहीं पढ़ा वो फिर 71 रख लेगा. सो पैरामीटर्स आर नॉट विथ यू. द सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज वेरी प्रीटी इजी. सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज लाइक यू कवर योर पैरामीटर्स. अब मैंने क्या किया है कि मैंने अपने लाइफ में कॉम्प्रोमाइज कहीं पे भी नहीं किया. आई एक्चुअली ड्रॉप्ड आउट फ्रॉम टेक्सास. उससे पहले मैं लंदन भी छोड़ के आया था. आई वॉज वर्किंग इन बार्कलेस, तो मैं बोला कि नहीं यार ये नहीं करूँगा. आई विल बी इन हिमालयज, be in education field and working with youth rather than with all those people those are like वो 50-60 के हैं, यार कोड नहीं बन रहा है, आज ये करना है. I don't enjoy parties. I am involved in startups. अभी मेरे हाल ही में एक स्टार्टअप है जो कि सुपर बाइक्स बनाता है. सुपर बाइक्स बनाता है. हम सैटरडे संडे को हम लोग सुपर बाइक से हम लोग गाड़ी पूरा का पूरा घूमते हैं. एंड इट इज़ अ सुपर बाइक यूजिंग EV. रात को 12 बजे हम लोग सुट्टा पी रहे हैं. ठीक है. सारे के सारे फंडे अगर आपको पता है कि आपको कहाँ जानी है, तो आपको एग्जाम आप यू कैन बीट नॉट ओनली द कॉम्पिटिशन, यू कैन एक्चुअली बीट द टीचर्स इन्वॉल्व इन दैट पर्टिकुलर फील्ड. वो बंदा वो उसको समझ में नहीं आएगा क्योंकि आपने किया होगा उस फील्ड में इफ यू एक्चुअली नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू आर ट्राइंग टू डू. सपोज यू वांट टू कम अप विद एन EV. अब इंजीनियरिंग के बच्चे, IITs के भी बच्चे होंगे जो बंदा मेरे साथ काम करता है, ही नोज एवरीथिंग अबाउट इंजीनियरिंग. उसको तुम बोलोगे कि ये होगा, बोला नहीं सर ये पावर कोटिंग होगा, ये पाउडर कोटिंग होगा, ये नहीं हो पाएगा, ये नहीं होगा क्योंकि इसका केमिकल इसमें ये रिएक्ट करेगा. मैं बोला कि इतना कैसे नॉलेज है तेरे को? बोला ये कर रहा हूँ मैं. सो व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली ट्रैवलिंग टू गोवा, सो यू नो व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू विल कम अक्रॉस. और ये कि नहीं, एक तो हम तो फ्लाइट पकड़ लेंगे, को पायलट या पायलट को पैसे दे देंगे और फिर चतुर की तरह डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लो, 70 रख लो. That is something where you will be beaten somewhere or the other. उस कॉलेज में अच्छा कर लोगे, but then somewhere somebody would come up who knows कि भाई ये किताब बांट रहा है, मैं पहले से इसको बांट के रखूंगा. So there are people those who can do it. I was a gold medalist. The second silver medalist was the one who was a PCS officer. वो इतना पावरफुल था कि लोग बोलते थे कि शिवेन बाहर मिलेगा ना वो तुझे काट देगा. So he was that kind of person. तो मैंने क्या किया, तो मेरे जो दोस्त लोग थे, माई वाइफ इज़ अ लॉयर, तो उनके जो फ्रेंड्स थे वो दे वर लाइक इनटू IAS. तो पहले दिन जब मुझे पता चला कि ये PCS ऑफिसर है, सेकंड दिन मैंने उसको बुलाया था जो IAS ऑफिसर था. तो उसको पहले से ही पता था कि ये बंदा मैं काट नहीं पाऊंगा. वो मेरी डायरेक्ट जान पहचान की नहीं थी. शी वॉज माई वाइफ्स फ्रेंड. लेकिन पहले से ही आप अपने कार्ड्स बिछा के रखो ताकि उसको भी पता है कि नहीं यार मैं फाइट नहीं करूंगा इस बंदे से, क्योंकि IAS ऑफिसर्स लॉयर्स तो घर में बैठे. तो वो PCS ऑफिसर होने के बावजूद भी उसने कभी भी, एंड अगेन देयर वाज अ कंपटीशन ऑल्सो. मैंने उसको बोला था कि तू सेकंड तो आएगा पक्का, लेकिन पूरे 2 साल में एक एग्जाम में भी, इंक्लूडिंग मिड टर्म एग्जाम में, तो फर्स्ट नहीं आएगा. ही विल कम सेकेंड. और ये भी गारंटी है कि तू कभी भी फर्स्ट नहीं आएगा. मतलब फॉरगेट अबाउट द टोटल मार्क्स इन कमिंग फर्स्ट इन टोटल मार्क्स, कोई एक मिड टर्म में भी तो फर्स्ट नहीं आएगा. वी अपीयर्ड इन 32 सब्जेक्ट्स. 31 में मैं गोल्ड मेडल, मतलब सारे में गोल्ड मेडल. सेकेंड जिसमें हुआ वो उसमें थर्ड था. द थिंग इज इफ यू नो वेयर यू आर गोइंग, आपको बहुत ईजी लगेगा. आप खुद देख लेना, आप प्लान बनाओ कि कल हम ये करेंगे, उसके बाद अगर आप डिसाइड करोगे आपको रात की नींद नहीं जाएगी आपकी. बट अगर कोई दूसरा बंदा आपके लिए डिसाइड कर रहा है, जैसे कि कल एग्जाम है, बस आएगी नहीं आएगी आपको पता नहीं है, आपके पास कोई साधन नहीं है, देन देयर इज एन इशू. बट आपको पता है कि मैं उठूंगा, मेरे पास ये है, मैं यहाँ पर पहुँचूंगा, then all the parameters are under your control. Nobody can even touch you. Unless okay, there is an intervention, a divine intervention, and you get, you come across any accident or all, that's a different story. Otherwise, कोई नहीं हो सकता, कुछ नहीं हो सकता आपके पास. You know where you are heading towards. गलत बोल रहा हूँ? गलत बोल रहा हूँ? Yes, sir. Oh. Okay, you want to ask a question?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. I felt I was telling wrong things.
So thank you for the presentation.
Thank you.
In your presentation, you told us that happiness is doing what you like to do with the right team and at the right place.
Yes.
In relation to innovation and invention. My question is, what if what I'm doing, the product, the outcome of my doing is not good for the world?
Come again. I think I missed the last line.
What if, I said, what if what I'm doing with my team, even though I'm happy, I have the right team, and we are doing at the right place, but the outcome is not favorable for the world. Is that true happiness?
See, outcome is not under your control. See, outcome is not under your control. When Macintosh was launched in 1984, Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and the team, the coterie of very core members, they were working on one of the fine. This is not working. They felt that it's time up. I guess they have to stop the mics and all. Am I audible now? Okay. So they had the right team. Steve Wozniak, Steve Jobs, and they had Mike Markula, the person who actually invested $25 million, and then others involved. They had the right team, doing the right thing. They enjoyed like anything. Even in 2010, when they were interviewed by Isaac Walterson, that the author of the biography of Steve Jobs, they all said that the kind of life we lived that time is cannot be matched. But then the outcome was not in their favor because it was extremely expensive product. And by 3 years before, IBM had launched PC Junior, Personal Computer Juniors. So they took the market. But the outcome was not under their control. But this particular experience was the one that gave birth to one particular concept called as vertical integration. They decided that we will not only make our own product, we will also make our own software. We will have our own marketing team. They didn't go. I was talking to him today only. I said, when Apple started, they had a market share of 1.7, whereas 92% was shared by Microsoft. But then also, when you are having the right team, the right place you are working in, from 1.7% share, they completely changed the whole equation. It's a first company that touched the $1 trillion. And I get goosebumps because I went to Texas A&M University because that's the only college where Pixar used to recruit students. Pixar was one of the companies by Steve Jobs. If you know Pixar, Disney and all. So Pixar used to actually come to Texas A&M University to take those students. And I was precisely for that particular reason कि एक बार Steve को देखनी है. I wanted to see that guy because the person was very clear. Why I have huge respect for Steve or for Ruskin Bond, because they understood the inner meaning of life. बाकी चीजें फर्क नहीं पड़ती है. आप कुछ भी कर लो, if you are not happy at the core, you are absolutely a disgrace for your own life. So having an outcome is a different thing. नहीं हो सकती है. But then I will tell you. I think are we running short of time? Somebody said yes. Done. So I was about to give you an example, but that's completely fine. If you don't enjoy it, I will not say it. But what I'm trying to say is like in having this particular concept is more important, that you got to do, your parameters, fix that. Outcome, if it's not possible today or is not in your favor, maybe tomorrow it will be in your favor. Maybe day after tomorrow. Chandrayaan, first failed, second failed, third successful. But they didn't change the team. They had the same team. And they kept on doing it. They were enjoying. I mean, you could see those happy faces the day it was launched, and the day it was actually it landed on moon. The kind of happiness that comes, it reverberates or it echoes, and then people know that you have done something that is absolutely amazing. Thank you. Any other questions? Ma'am is done.
Any more questions from your side?
वो बोलेगी नो अभी बंद करो इसको. Anyway, I'm in LinkedIn, so please do send your friend request. The reason being, आपके यहाँ पर कोई opportunity मिलता है ना, मेरे को दिखता है कि भाई startup हो सकता है. Since I am into startup ecosystem, what I do is I invest heavily in startups, in ideas, in prototypes, and I invest very good money, at least 5 lakh rupees. So in case if you have brilliant ideas, but it is into manufacturing. If you are into app development, Tinder बना रहे हो, मेरे को मत भेजना. Tinder's matchmaking, मेरे को मत भेजना. But if you are into product making, please do come to me. Thank you.
On the behalf of City University and especially grace the occasion, I'm sure today we had an opportunity to hear you and your thought. This will surely be going to helpful for our future events. Thank you so much, sir.